Imagine starting each day feeling energized, flexible, and ready to conquer anything. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you with a simple 10-minute morning stretch routine. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast, an office worker battling stiffness, a beginner looking for a gentle start, or someone seeking stress relief, this routine is your key to a better day. A consistent morning stretch routine is more than just physical movement. It's a powerful daily ritual. It helps release tension, improve blood flow, and gently wake up your body and mind. This practice is perfect for everyone, from yoga practitioners deepening their flexibility to the elderly seeking improved mobility and balance. It's about cultivating a habit that reduces stress, boosts energy, and enhances your overall well-being. Let's dive into these simple yet profound movements designed to invigorate your body and calm your mind. Remember to breathe deeply and move gently, listening to your body. Begin by gently releasing tension in your upper body. Drop your chin to your chest, then slowly roll your right ear towards your right shoulder. Continue the roll back, then left ear to left shoulder, completing a full circle. Repeat 3 to 5 times in each direction. This is excellent for office workers and anyone holding stress in their neck. Next, bring your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them back and down in a large, circular motion. Repeat 10 times forward, then reverse for 10 times backward. This simple movement improves circulation and eases shoulder stiffness, benefiting everyone from beginners to fitness enthusiasts. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Begin making small forward circles, gradually increasing the size. Continue for 30 seconds, then reverse the direction for another 30 seconds. This warms up your shoulder joints and increases arm mobility. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. Gently twist your torso from side to side, allowing your arms to swing loosely. Keep your hips relatively stable. This gentle twist improves spinal flexibility and is a fantastic stress reliever for all ages. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back, drop your belly, and lift your gaze for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow between these two poses for 2 minutes. This movement is incredibly beneficial for spinal health, promoting flexibility and relieving back tension, making it ideal for office workers and the elderly. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Gently reach towards your toes, keeping your back as straight as possible. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in the back of your legs. Repeat twice. This stretch is crucial for improving lower body flexibility, benefiting athletes and beginners alike. For your quads, stand and hold onto a wall or chair for balance. Grab one foot and gently pull it towards your glutes, feeling a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch legs. This helps release tightness in the front of your thighs, common for those who sit or run frequently. From a tabletop position, lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body for downward facing dog. Press through your hands and feet, lengthening your spine. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. This pose energizes the entire body, stretches hamstrings and calves, and calms the brain. Finally, transition into child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and fold forward, resting your torso between your thighs. Extend your arms forward or alongside your body. Rest your forehead on the floor. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. This pose is deeply relaxing, offering stress relief and a gentle stretch for the hips and lower back. This 10-minute routine isn't just about physical stretches. It's about cultivating mindfulness and self-care. By dedicating this time to yourself each morning, you're setting a positive tone for the entire day. You'll notice improved posture, reduced aches and pains, and a greater sense of calm and focus. It's a powerful step towards a healthier, happier you, regardless of your fitness level or daily demands. Consistency is key. Start small, even if it's just 5 minutes. Listen to your body and modify stretches as needed. This routine is adaptable for everyone, from fitness enthusiasts looking for a warm-up to beginners building a foundation and office workers seeking relief from desk strain. Embrace this simple habit and watch how it transforms your energy, flexibility, and overall well-being. Ready to feel amazing every day? Start this 10-minute morning stretch routine tomorrow. Share this with a friend who needs an energy boost. Subscribe for more wellness tips, and let us know in the comments how this routine transforms your mornings. Your journey to a more flexible, energized, and stress-free life begins now.